Welcome to G Suite. Our unit is installed with digital lock system, which is you can check in and check out at any time as you wish. In G Suite, we have facilities such as a mini fridge, microwave, and we do provide a guest complimentary item such as mineral water, tea, and coffee. Our unit consists of dining table, a 40-inch TV, and also 3-seater sofa. And don't forget, we do have a Wi-Fi every each unit. The concept of our unit is classroom, so let's see what inside. We do provide hangers, hair dryer, a dressing table, and also queen size bed. Next, let's move to upstairs room. In upstairs room, we have a queen size bed, a dressing table, hanger, and also the dryer. And not to forget, attached washroom. And we are giving a free amenities shampoo and a gel.